start with this number 1. So let's say we have 4x plus 2y equals 8. So remember, we need the variable y in terms of x. So we have 4x here and plus 2y. So let's copy the 2y here. Then we transpose the 4x to the right side. So this will become 8 minus 4x. Remember, if you are going to move the term from left to right, the sign will become inverse or magre-reverse. Gets yun? Then divide both side by 2 to get the variable y. So this will become y equals, so 8 divide 2, this will become 4, and negative 4x divide 2, that will become negative 2x. So this is the y in terms of x. Or if you want to find x in terms of y, just do the same process. Gets. Next, number 2. So let's say we have 3x minus 2y equals 6. So we need the y in terms of x, so just do the same process. Or if you want, that's if you, pwede naman kasi guys, kunyari yung y yung hinahanap natin, Tagalogin ko na lang, mas magaling ako magturo pag Tagalog eh. Alam ko naman sarili ko yun eh, diba? Or English. Joke. Ano ba gusto nyo guys? Pinapahirapan nyo yung tao, di na kayo naawa. Joke. Hindi, nagkaparta English. So let's see. Mas magaling ako magturong Tagalog eh. Kaya nga ako nagmat eh, kasi nga ayaw ko ng English. Ayan yung pinaka-reason natin. Anyways, so we have 3x minus 2y equals to 6. So we need to solve for the equation for y in terms of x. So we have 3x minus 2y. Ulit-ulit. Ulit-ulit na lang to eh. Ulit. So we have 3x minus 2y equals to 6. So we need to solve for y in terms of x. So isolate the variable y. So we have negative 2y here equals 6 to the right side, and we need to transpose 3x. So from positive, this will become negative 3x. Then divide both sides by negative 2 to get the variable y. So this will become y, because negative divide negative, that is positive. So we will be having y here to the right side, to the left side. Then we need to divide this each term to negative 2. So 6 divide negative 2, that is negative 3. Then negative divide negative is positive, and we'll be having 3x over 2, because you can simplify this 2, but the sign can be, so you can have this one y in terms of x. That's how you do that. Next, number 3. So let's say we have 2x equals 5 minus 3y. So same process, you just need to isolate the variable y and move the other numbers or other terms to the other side. So we have 2x here, then we have 5 to the right side, so put it on the left side. This will become negative 5, which is equals to negative 3y. So to find or to isolate the variable y, we need to divide it both by negative 3. So as you can see, we'll be having y to the right side. So this will become positive divide negative, that is negative 2x. Then negative divide negative is positive, then it become 5 all over 3. So, or this